Hey there, I'm Smack Smarks. What are you talking about? This is the Hump Day Zone. That's what I'm talking about. Tonight's edition of the Hump Day Zone stars Kirk the Jerk. It's about vacuuming on a nice dry hump day. It's called vacuuming on a hump day. If you don't enjoy it, then why you hump a vacuum cleaner? Oh, it's me. Today is the hump day that I have to vacuum. I'm going to be vacuuming on a dry hump day. A nice dry hump day. Very hot. I do not like to vacuum, especially on a hump day, but my ex tells me that if I vacuum, that I won't have to pay charge for 2 months, and he won't charge me for the charge what I owe. So vacuuming it is. It's a nice, dry, hot hump day, and no snow, no water. Let's begin. You're back on a hump day. You say hump day, you say vacuum. You got vacuum skills, like 4 days of vacuuming and inject the vacuums. And my vacuum got over by a reindeer, and Maryland got run over by your vacuum. Stuff. Oh, stuff. Oh, stuff. Good. Maybe this stuff now. Hey, hot day! Hot day! I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. And that's what vacuuming is all about. You don't ever vacuum? I never vacuum. I get my maid to do it. Only my maid, Chris, so I need to hire a new maid. Anyway, I'm Smack Sparks. We hope you enjoyed this episode of the Hump Day Zone.